What if I told you that one of Hollywood's biggest actresses was suddenly accused of faking her pregnancy? Anna Hathaway is currently expecting her third child, but after one recent red carpet appearance, people online started questioning whether her baby bump was even real. And the reason people thought it was fake, some viewers simply didn't believe what they were seeing. But then Anna Hathaway responded, and her response was only four words: fake hair, real bump. So, what exactly happened, and why did the internet become convinced that Anna Hathaway was wearing a fake baby bump? Let's get into it. Anna Hathaway announced that she was pregnant with her third child in June 2026. The 43-year-old actress shared the news on Instagram, showing off her growing belly alongside her husband Adam Schulman. The couple already has two sons, Jonathan and Jake. So this pregnancy marks their third child together. And interestingly, Anna Hathaway has described this pregnancy as something of a surprise. In an interview, she explained that although the pregnancy was planned, she and her husband had kept their expectations realistic. She even described the baby as buzzer beater, basically a very unexpected and incredibly exciting addition to their family. So at this point, everything seemed pretty straightforward. Anna Hathaway was pregnant. She announced it publicly. Fans congratulated her, and then the internet did what the internet does best. It started looking for something to argue about. The controversy really exploded after Anna appeared at the premiere of her upcoming movie, The End of Oak Street. And this was not exactly a subtle maternity look. She wore a fashion forward outfit that exposed part of her stomach and made her pregnancy bump very visible. Instead of everyone simply talking about the movie or congratulating her, some people online started analyzing her stomach. Some commenters claimed that the bump did not look natural. Others went even further and suggested that Anna could be wearing a prosthetic or fake pregnancy belly. Basically, a completely normal celebrity appearance turned into an internet investigation. And this is where things get interesting because pregnancy bellies don't all look identical. Their shape can change depending on the stage of pregnancy, body position, clothing, posture, and even the angle of photograph. A single red carpet photo can therefore look very different from another photo taken seconds later. But online, one unusual looking image can become an entire conspiracy theory. And Anna Hathaway apparently saw the speculation, but instead of writing a long defensive statement, instead of arguing with random commenters, instead of trying to prove anything, she decided to joke about it. On Instagram, Anna posted behind the scenes footage from the premiere. The video included moments of her getting ready, including her hair being styled with extensions. And then came the caption: fake hair, real bump. That's it. Four words: fake hair, real bump. It was basically Anna saying, Yes, some things you are seeing are fake. The hair, fake. The pregnancy bump, real. And honestly, it was probably the most Anne Hathaway way possible to shut down the rumor with humor instead of a serious confrontation. Now, here is the bigger question. Why did anyone believe the pump was fake in the first place? Part of it comes down to how social media works. People see celebrities in perfectly controlled photographs all the time. Professional lighting, professional makeup, professional styling, posing, editing, everything is designed to look polished. So when something about a celebrity's appearance does not match what viewers expect, people can immediately become suspicious. And Anna's outfit made the situation even more noticeable. Her belly was exposed while the rest of the outfit had a very structured, fashion focused look that gave people plenty of material to zoom into and analyze. But there is an important distinction here. The existence of online speculation does not mean there was credible evidence that her pregnancy was fake. In fact, Anna herself directly rejected that idea with her real bump comment, and she has continued publicly appearing with her pregnancy visible. So the fake pregnancy story appears to be an internet rumor, not a substantiated revelation. And there is something almost ironic about the entire situation. Anna Hathaway is 43, she is already a mother of two. She is openly talked about how different this pregnancy feels compared with her pregnancies in her 30s. She has said that after turning 40, she became more focused on being present and appreciating the moment rather than taking things for granted. So while she is experiencing what should be an incredibly personal and meaningful moment, a portion of the internet was busy asking, is that bump real? And Anna's response basically flipped the entire conversation. She did not give the rumor more power. She made a joke out of it. So is Anna Hathaway's baby bump was fake? Based on the available evidence and Anna Hathaway's own response, no credible evidence supports that claim. The fake bump idea came from social media speculation surrounding photos of her appearance, and Anna answered that speculation herself. Fake hair, real bump, which might be one of the shortest celebrity clapbacks we have seen in a while. But perhaps the real mystery is not whether Anna Hathaway's bump is fake, it's why the internet felt entitled to investigate it in the first place. Because apparently in 2026, even a pregnancy can become a conspiracy theory. And Anna Hathaway, she just laughed and moved on. What do you think about her response? Let me know in the comments, and if you want more Hollywood stories where the internet completely loses the plot, subscribe.